Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x to power of log of y is equal to 2x minus 5, y to power of log of x is equal to x plus 12 to find the values of x and y. In the first step, we apply log to both of these two equations, and it will be from this equation we apply log, it will be log of this x to power of log of y is equal to log of 2x minus 5, and for this equation we apply log, it will be log of y to power of log of x is equal to log of x plus 12. In here, for this side, from log rules, if we have log of a to power of b, this is equal to b times log of a. In here we can write this power, we can take this power outside of log, it will be b times log of a. So in here we take this power of power log y outside of log, it will be log y, this times log x, right? In here we take this outside of log, it will be log y times log x is equal to log 2x minus 5. Also, for this equation, we take this log x outside of this log, it will be log x times log y is equal to log x plus 12. And in next step, we subtract these two equations, so it will be this minus this, it will be, for this side we have log of y times log x, this, minus this, log x times log y is equal to this minus this, log 2x minus 5 minus log x plus 12, x plus 12. So in here, log y times log x minus log y times log x, it will be 0, right? So in here we have 0 is equal to log 2x minus 5 minus log x plus 12. And in next step, we take this log x plus 12 to this side, and it will be, in here we have negative log x plus 12, and we take this to this side, it will be positive log x plus 12 is equal to log 2x minus 5. So in here, log x plus 12 is equal to log 2x minus 5, and by comparing both of this equation, we can write x plus 12 is equal to 2x minus 5, right? So in here we take this x to this side and this negative 5 to this side. It will be 12, negative 5 to this side will be positive 5 is equal to 2x, take this x to this side, minus x, and from here 17 is equal to 2x minus x is x. So we find the value of x, and we want to find in here the value of y. So we use this equation, x to power of log of y is equal to 2x minus 5. So we write x to power of log of y is equal to 2x minus 5, and x is equal to 17, so we substitute in here 17 to power of log y is equal to 2 times 17 minus 5, and it will be 17 to power of log y is equal to 2 times 17 is 34, and minus 5 it will be 29. So in next step we apply log to both sides of this equation, and it will be log of 17 to power of log y is equal to log 29. And from log rules, in here we can take this log y outside of log. It will be log y times log 17 is equal to log 29. And next step, we divide both of this equation by log 17. So this by log 17 and this by log 17. And here, this log 17 will cancel this, and it will be log y is equal to log 29 over log 17, right? And in here, from log rules, if we have log a over log b, this is equal to log a to base b, right? So we can write this as, in here, log y is equal to log 29 to base 17. And in here, from log rules, if we have log a to base b is equal to c, we can write this a is equal to b to power of c. So in here we have log y, and in here the base is 10, right? Log y is log y to base 10. So from here, by comparing this equation and this formula, in here a is y, so a y is equal to b. b is base is 10. 10 to power of c. c is log of 29 to base 17. So 10 to power of log of 29 to base 17. So in here, we find the value of y. Also, x is 17. So we're writing here, x is equal to 17. And we find the value of x and y. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.